Hi, this is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps for claiming your Cooper tire warranty. Jump onto our website to discover 3 simple instructions that explain how to claim the warranty for Cooper tire. You need to follow these provided instructions. Below the 3rd step, you can see their contact information. You can reach them via email or phone number 800-321-2136. Available every day. When you click the second link, you will be redirected to www.coopertire.com. There you can find a form. Fill out the form with your name, email, phone number, subject as warranty issue, and a brief message about your tire issue and click the submit button. Once you have submitted the form, their team will respond via the registered email within 48 hours. However, during peak hours, response times may be longer. In this case, you may choose to entrust your claim process to me, and I will handle everything from there, as this is my full-time responsibility. My service is not limited to Cooper tires, it also extends to various products from different manufacturers. After inspecting your defective product, they will determine if the tires are eligible for a warranty claim. If eligible, they will provide either a replacement or credit toward a new tire. And that brings us to the end of today's warranty claim procedure video. Before we say goodbye, if you ever get stuck or have questions about the warranty process, remember you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've supported numerous customers, and we'd love to assist you too. I'm here to be your resource, anytime.